The Duet features a double-ended ratchet tool. In the box with it, there are 7 sockets and there's 11 precision tool bits for pretty much all the standard applications. There's also an extender rod, so it's easy to reach any awkward places. Everything comes in its own robust case, so it's easy to transport and throw in the back of the van. In use, simply choose the tool bit you need and insert onto the correct end of the ratchet tool. Once on, use the small switch to select either clockwise or anti-clockwise and use as a standard ratchet tool. The Duet is a super useful tool whether you're working on your bike, your kids' bikes, jobs around the home, fixing things, or simply having it in your back pocket in case of an emergency. Once you're done, simply press the button on the back of the tool to release the tool head and put it back in the case.